Are you looking for something more in life? Something new and unique? Are you tired of being an employee? No money to be an investor or buy real estate? No money to buy a franchise? Too much risk to start your own business? How about multi-level marketing? Well, if MLM is so powerful and so easy, then why do 95% of people fail? But what else is there? Don't know where to turn? Looking for an answer? Well, you don't have to look any further. Your answer has arrived. It's called eCauseway. eCauseway is an opportunity that combines various powerful business models, small business, franchise, and MLM. But eCauseway really is different. It takes out all the disadvantages of those business models, but of course, leaves in all the advantages. With eCauseway, there's no risk, no high initial investment, no ongoing franchise fees, no door-to-door sales, no more coffee shop presentations, no direct catalog sales, no more high-priced products, no forced high monthly consumptions by distributors. It's your own business. You set your own hours. Extremely low startup costs. You could qualify for a free franchise-type store. Yes, we said free. Physical locations resulting in confidence and trust. True, rock-solid, high residual income possibilities. Powerful word-of-mouth marketing. Hundreds of high-quality, unique products. Incredible competitive pricing. Unparalleled consumer loyalty, which means big, solid, ongoing, unlimited profits for you. eCauseway is risk-free, as it's a proven successful model with 31 years in the market with 2,000 physical stores. Yes, you heard right, 2,000 stores. It's a publicly traded company with a soaring stock price and close to $500 million in sales in 2010. And with the just announced massive international expansion plan, the billion-dollar mark is right around the corner. The doors just opened to the USA and Japan, with new market announcements for 2011, Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, England, Germany, with many more countries in the pipeline. So strap on your seatbelt. You can go for the ride of your life. Don't miss the wave. It's a powerful model combining bricks and mortar with high technology. It truly is an unstoppable model. If you have ever dreamed of having a life with your loved ones, that you could do what you wanted, if you want, when you wanted, and where you wanted, having no time or financial restrictions, then dream no longer. The reality has arrived. It's called eCauseway. Finally, a better way.